Welcome to the Game Audio Resource WiseCube game series. This guide will highlight how to implement environment types to each map. There is no current way without adding new code to add a spot emitter to place unique sound events at a unique location in a map. First, we'll set up a generic environment type and element wind type in Wise for the generic default map MET L3. First, we will add wildlife content. In the Project Explorer under the Audio tab, locate Actor Mixer, Default Work Unit, Environment. Right-click, select New Child, then Actor Mixer. Name the Actor Mixer Environment_Desert. Next, we will add a container that randomly plays one-shot insect assets. Right-click the Environment_Desert Actor Mixer, select New Child, then Random Container, then name it Environment_Desert_Insects. In the Property Editor, General Settings tab, change the play mode to Continuous. Tick the loop box. Tick the transition box, then in the type, select trigger rate. Then in duration, change the value to 5. Double-click the duration randomizer. In the window properties, we will define an offset value. Tick enabled, leave min offset at 0, then change max offset to 4. Right-click the Environment_Desert Insect Random Container and add 2 new child random containers. Name them Environment_Desert_Insects_Crickets. Then name the second one Environment_Desert_Insects_Fly. Import the free assets for crickets and fly into the associated containers. Place them in new folders under SFX, Environment, Insects. Now press play. The play function should stay continuous, triggering an insect asset every 5 to 9 seconds. Let us add a mammal type. Copy and paste the Environment_Desert_Insect random container to the same location under Environment_Desert. Rename the random container Environment_Desert_Mammal. Name the children random containers under this container to match the hierarchy, plus add the mammal type name. For example, Environment_Desert_Mammal_Hawk. Then delete the insect audio assets from the duplicated containers. For now, copy and paste the placeholder _silence_1_shot test asset under each random container. Now we'll add a generic wind type to support the desert ambience. Under the Actor Mixer hierarchy, Default Work Unit, Element, add a new work unit called Element_Wind. Then add a new Actor Mixer under the Wind work unit called Element_Wind_Warm. Copy the Environment_Desert_Insect random container and place it under the Element_Wind_Warm Actor Mixer. Rename the mixer Element_Wind_Warm_Gust_Sand. Remove any child random containers, then import the EL_EM_Wind_Warm_Gust_Sand one-shot assets. Place them in a new folder under SFX Element Wind Warm. Also, let's import under the Element_Wind_Warm Actor Mixer the looping Wind_Warm asset. Place them in the same location as the above Wind Warm folder. Select the Wind_Warm_Loop asset, then in the Property Editor select the Loop tick box. Now test the loop and the one-shot assets and make sure they trigger correctly with the transport control. As the tech behind initial map load is a bit flaky, it is best to set up one sound event to call all of the above content. First, we are going to configure the Wise windows to be more useful. In the Wise toolbar, select Views, then Project Explorer, then Project Explorer-Sync Group 2. This brings up a duplicated window of the hierarchy. In this window, change to the Audio tab and leave this extra window open. Return to the main Wwise window. Right-click the Looping Wind Warm asset. Select New Event, then select Play. In the Project Explorer Events tab, find the new sound event, drag it into the Environment Work Unit, name the sound event ENVR_desert_generic. Now in the Event Editor, right-click, then add 3 new actions and then play type. Find the element_wind_warm_gust_sand random container. Then select and drag it onto the Event Editor target column. Repeat the process with the insects plus any other containers you wish to add. Now press play on the transport control. In the Soundbanks tab, drag the new event ENVR_desert_generic into the main soundbank. Generate the soundbanks. Save your Wwise project updates. Now we need to assign our new environment_desert type to trigger in the default MET-L3 map. Find the MET-L3.cfg script file under cube/packages/base. In the map script, in a new line, add AK event space ENVR_desert_generic. Save the script update. Finally, let us test the new environment in-game. Boot up the Cube exe. You should hear all environment_desert components being triggered. Then connect the game to Wwise. In the Wwise profile layout, search to see if environment_desert_generic is triggering. You should see the one-shot wildlife assets being called randomly. As a final test, close the game and run a Wwise integrity report. If any areas are highlighted to the named content we have added in this guide, check the guide again for any missed points. Take 30 minutes to volume balance and mix the components of the desert environment. Use this guide as reference to implement other environment and element types for different maps, e.g. mountain, forest, wind cold, and wind generic, etc. How you structure your new environment types are up to you, but try to aim for consistency with naming and structure.